up guys, today we are doing this roll-on letterbox effect. If you want this as a drag and drop preset, then there is a link down below to an effects pack. In this video we're going to be making it from scratch. So the first step is to bring in an adjustment layer over your video clips, and I use this plugin in pretty much every video, but it is just so useful when editing, so I'll leave the link to it down below. It doesn't come with Final Cut Pro, but it's a free title plugin which you can find down below. It's up here, titles, adjustment layer, and I'm just going to drag that over my video clip, extend it to the end, and then what we're going to do is go right to the beginning and go over here to the parameters and go to crop. Top and bottom. At the beginning what we're going to do is just hit the keyframe button, and then we're going to skip along however many frames you want. The longer you go, then the slower the letterbox is going to roll down. And then what we're going to do is just crop this to 143, and the same with the bottom, just like that. And now if we go to the start, you can see the letterbox effect rolls down just like that. And then what I'm going to do is go to the end and add in some more keyframes so we can make this roll off again. Just before the end, about there, I'm going to go up here again and click the keyframe buttons, go right to the end, and then just drag these down, and the keyframes will be recorded because we've already pressed a button. And now if we play it back, the letterbox effect just rolls off. Super cool effect, really simple. It's going to make your like B-roll cinematics just that little bit more dramatic. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Preset pack is linked down below if you're interested, then definitely go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.